Hi students, in this lecture we are learning the database concepts. Here what are the concepts in database? Here the database concepts the proposed by EF code of IBM, and here we are having the terms, okay, some terms of the database concepts, important terms. Today's lecture we are learning the important terms. Here we are having the first one is relation. You know this relation in previous lecture. Relation is nothing but it's a table. Whatever the data or information we are organized in a tabular format, that we call it as the subject relation. Okay. Here the relation is nothing but table. The table is contains some rows and columns. Here we are having the proper definition of the relation. It is a table arranged in rows and columns. It is a table arranged in rows and columns. Here we are having one example, student. Okay, here this student in the subject. Okay, we are calling this student in subject relational table. Relational table. Here this student is an entity. That entity is having the properties, attributes. At the same time, this student in the relational database management system, in the subject, we are calling it as this student table. Relational table. Here we are having the attributes of the student, student ID, student name and marks. Here this student ID, student name and marks, we call it as attributes, columns. Okay, here columns, these are all columns or attributes, columns or attributes. And the next, where is it rows? Here you don't get confused. These SID, SName and marks. Okay, these three are columns or attributes of this student relational table. And here we are having the rows. Okay, this one student ID is 1 and student name A and marks 50. And the next two SID. Okay, SID is 2 and S name B, marks 60. Okay, here this student relational table is having two records. Okay, one is first 1 A and 50 is one record, and the next 2 B 60. Okay, these two we call it as rows or tuples, or you can also call it as records. Clear? Rows, tuple or records. Here we are having some points of this relational. With the help of these points, we are find out this relational table. Okay, we just find out that what is relational table. Here we are having the first point, in a column all entries of same type. In a column all entries of same type. For example, in SID. Okay, in SID, student ID. Here first record I am using that number. Okay, integer data type. With the help of the data type, we are storing the data in that student relational table. But in second record, okay, in second record, here I am making the data type float. Okay, 2.0. It's wrong way. For example, in first record, whatever the data type you are using to store that data, okay, in the columns, in a column, all entries are, in a column, all entries are same type. In first record, what you are using the data types to store the data in the relational table, you continue with the data type only in that column. For example, in first record, you are then marks integers. And next second point is all columns or rows are distinct. Here in this all columns or rows are distinct. We cannot change. For example, SID, SNAME and marks, okay, unique values. And then last point is for rows each column must have atomic values. For rows each column must have atomic values. For example, in this row here the first student marks in 50, 60. Okay, here I am storing the 50 and 60. Which one? The computer, the which marks, okay, it will access that 50 or a 60. It's wrong way of the data is storing. Okay, it's wrong format to store the data in the table, relational table. Here for rows each column must have atomic values. You have to store the unique values, whatever the data you have to storing. Okay, you have to store only the atomic values in relational table. And the next move on to the second one, domain. Here it is a pool of values from which actual value appearing in given columns are drawn. What is that? Here the pool of values from which actual value appearing in given column or domain. Clear? What is in pool of values from which actual value appearing in given column or drawn? Here the example is student ID. Here in this relational table, in student relational table, we are having that student ID 1 and 2. Where it is taking the values SID in this domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, domain of student ID. Here, what is the domain? It is a pool of values from which actual value appearing. For example, I'm asking to that student relational table, okay, that 3 student details or else 2 student details. Okay, here I am directly selecting the student 2 and student name B and marks 16. That is called as a domain. It is a pool of, that is a use of the domain. It is a pool of values from which actual values appearing in given columns or drawn. Example, student ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are all the relational table in student relational table. Okay, that all total students IDs. Okay, student ID. With the help of the domain, we are selecting the particular student details. We are accessing that particular student details with the help of the domain. And third one is tuples. We are saying we are learned and just now I said that the definition and the tuple is nothing but alternate names of the rows and records. Rows of table are called a tuple, and the next attributes, columns of table, or we call it as a attributes. And the next one is degree. Here number of attributes in a, here the number of attributes in a relation determine degree of relation. Determine here the relation, determine degree of relation. Number of attributes. Okay, in the student relational table, in that example, we are having how many attributes are there in the relational student relational table. First we count the attributes in the student relational table. How many attributes, how many columns we are having in the table? Student ID is 1 and student name is 2 and marks 3. Here, what is the degree of this student relational table? 3. Here, example. The student is a